Attention. Most adults over 65 are quietly making a daily muscle mistake that speeds up weakness, often without noticing, until stairs feel steeper and jars feel impossible. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll reveal 10 budget-friendly foods that can support muscle strength as well as, or better than, what many of us rely on, like eggs. Even if you're in your 70s or 80s, you can fuel stronger legs, better balance, and more independence. Researchers have tested thousands of foods for protein quality, absorption, and the nutrients that aging muscles love. A small group stands out: cheap, accessible, and hiding in plain sight at the grocery store. Today you'll get the full list, how to use each food, and an easy way to start tonight. All right, let's count down from number 10. Before we dive in, how old are you right now and what's your number one muscle challenge? Standing up, climbing stairs, or grip strength? Tell me below. My team and I read and reply to as many comments as we can, and your story may help someone else take action. Number 10, cottage cheese. It looks simple, but it's rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds muscles for hours while you sleep. Many viewers tell me that a small evening portion helps them wake up less stiff and more steady. 1 cup has roughly 20 to 25 grams of protein plus calcium for bones. Tip: go for lower sodium options if you monitor blood pressure. Number 9, tofu. About half a cup offers approximately 10 grams of complete protein and is easy on digestion. It's versatile: bake it, pan-sear it, or add to soups. Soy's natural compounds may support muscle and bone health as we age. If you're new to tofu, start with extra firm and season it like chicken. You'll be surprised. Number 8, chickpeas. A cup packs approximately 14 to 15 grams of protein plus fiber for steady energy. Great for afternoon slumps. Try a quick chickpea salad with olive oil, lemon, and herbs, or roast them for a crunchy snack. Fiber also supports gut health, which helps your body absorb more of the protein you eat. Number 7, canned sardines. 1 small can gives 20 plus grams of complete protein, omega-3s that support recovery, and vitamin D and calcium for bone strength. They're cheap, shelf-stable, and great on whole grain crackers with mustard or lemon. If you dislike strong flavors, look for sardines packed in water or olive oil and rinse lightly. If this is useful, hit like so YouTube shows it to more seniors who need it. Now, number 6 is a quiet winner for stable energy and fewer cramps. Number 6, millet, an inexpensive ancient grain. It's naturally gluten-free, provides complex carbs for steady energy, and minerals like magnesium for muscle relaxation. Swap morning white toast for warm millet porridge with cinnamon and nuts. You may notice steadier steps by afternoon. Coming up, number 4 surprised researchers for its role in maintaining muscle and connective tissue. Don't miss it. Number 5, mussels. Affordable in the freezer section and fast to cook. A serving delivers approximately 18 grams of protein, omega-3s, B12, and zinc, supporting both muscle and the nerves that coordinate movement. Steam with garlic and tomatoes or add to a quick stew. Number 4, nori seaweed sheets. Light as paper but rich in minerals and amino acids your muscles use for repair. Crumble a sheet into soups, rice, or scrambled eggs, or enjoy as a snack. It's an easy way to add nutrition without extra cooking. Number 3, spirulina powder. 2 tablespoons offer about 8 grams of complete protein with unique antioxidants. Stir 1 teaspoon into a smoothie with banana and yogurt a few days a week. If you're on blood thinners or have autoimmune conditions, ask your clinician first. Number 2, tiger nuts. Despite the name, they're tubers. Naturally sweet, high in fiber, and a source of arginine, which supports healthy circulation, so oxygen and nutrients reach working muscles. Snack on a small handful, soak to soften, or blend into horchata-style milk. Number 1, teff. This tiny Ethiopian grain is rich in protein, iron, and calcium, and it shines in lysine, important for maintaining connective tissue. Cook like oatmeal for breakfast or mix into soups. Many people report better stamina and steadier balance after making teff a regular swap for white rice. Quick note on eggs. They're still a good protein for many people, but if eggs aren't your favorite, don't sit well, or your doctor asks you to limit them, these 10 options give you affordable, senior-friendly paths to strong, capable muscles. Here's a 7-day starter plan. Evenings, half-cup cottage cheese most nights. Lunches, rotate chickpea salad, tofu stir-fry, or sardines on whole grain crackers. Breakfasts, millet or teff porridge 3 to 4 days a week. Snacks, tiger nuts or roasted chickpeas. Nori Sheet says chips. Boost, spirulina smoothie 2 to 3 times a week. Drink water, add a short walk after meals, and aim for a simple strength routine 2 to 3 days weekly. Lena, one of my patients, she is 74 years old and swapped white toast for millet porridge and added sardines twice weekly. After 3 weeks, getting out of her chair felt smoother, and her evening walk was longer without pushing harder. Small, repeatable changes add up. Which food will you try first? Cottage cheese tonight or teff this week? Tell me in the comments. I'll pin a simple shopping list and reply to your questions. If you want a follow-up video with 10 fast recipes using these foods, comment recipes and I'll make it. Your strongest years aren't behind you. With the right foods and a bit of movement, your muscles can respond at any age. If this helped, tap like, share it with a friend who wants steadier legs, and subscribe to Senior Health Hub for simple, senior-friendly steps that work. If you found this helpful, I think you'll love this next video on natural ways to boost your energy. Tap it here.